Hey guys, it is Mackenzie. It is Monday, December 9th. So today we are doing a organize, clean, and decorate video. So I am organizing and cleaning my room. Yeah, it's just some basic stuff, like nothing difficult. I still haven't decorated my room. So I just have clothes all over, like on the ground. There's bags, my hamper's out. Like, this is not organized. None of this is very organized either. Let's get into it. Hey guys, so the next thing I'm going to be working on probably tomorrow is my closet area. I did everything in the main room, so everything is organized, the futon, my desk, my bed. So I've done all the little things. I have a ton of homework to do because, like I said, it is dead week. So all of this, my whole closet, I will be working on either tomorrow or some other time this week. So like, I just have this random pillar that cuts it off. I just have this box of trash and boxes, my bags, just a bunch of stuff like that just needs to be taken care of. Hey guys, so it is Tuesday, December 10th, and instead of doing my homework, because it's dead week and I have a paper due Friday and so much to do, I thought I would start organizing all my gifts for my friends. This video is going up like way after they get them, so I'm not worried about it. So it's not organizing and cleaning my room, but like, why not like sprinkle some fun in? See, they had these $1 letters in the Target section, and of course your girl comes when everything is overpicked, but I still found some letters for some of my friends. I also got these just like cream colored cards and envelopes to give them all letters. It was $1 in this dollar section. And then I got 12 mauve pink bags for $5. I wanted to get cute Christmas bags, but it was so expensive. Got these because they work. So then I got this wrapping paper in the dollar section for $3. So I'm back in Iowa City. It is Saturday, December 14th. Finals week is here. I just got back from visiting my stepsister at ISU, which the vlog should already be up, so go check that out. I was doing so well earlier in the video, and now here we are, and my room is back to being a mess. Here's the thing. Packing is so much fun, But unpacking is literally one of the worst things, and I am horrible at it. We have quite the mess here. I did a ton of laundry the day I left to go to ICU to see my sister. So I had 2 loads of laundry, and I was working on my paper, and all the laundry is clean, just not put away, and my bed isn't made, and I just have all the stuff that I had packed for like the few days I was down at ISU that I now need to put away. So it's really just putting stuff away, organizing, and then I have some more gifts that came in for my friends because it's Christmas. So here's my room. Shoes are a mess. Feuilleton just has all my clothes and stuff. Got some unpacking from my bag there. More clothes that need put away, and then my bed is not made because I took a nap. I just have a bunch of stuff out. So nothing's organized, and then those are my gifts. So I'm going to organize these gifts. All I'm waiting on now are these cookies I ordered from my hometown. Shout out to you, Marin. Your cookies are not here yet.
Now close your eyes.
Hey guys, so it is 8:20 p.m. December 17th, a Tuesday. Now that like all my studying for today is done, I need to do just some housekeeping because studying all day in here yesterday, I made a mess of my desk. Everything is just messy again, so I need to clean that up. I also, like, the last thing that I have to do in my room is go through my closet. So I want to do that and get that all organized. Also, here's a quick overview of my closet, which I organized. My battery died when I was filming that, so you guys didn't get to see me organizing it all. So it's 11 p.m. Thursday, December 19th. So we have some general cleaning to do. I went and got 4 flex meals because I have like 50 left. You can only use 5 flex meals a day and they expire tomorrow. So I'm gonna clean dishes now. So I'm now gonna take a handy dandy dryer sheet and just dust all over my room and then sanitize with the Clorox wipe. That way the room is clean when I come back. Or hopefully.